So ngomhla ka-5 February, Orlando Pirates will take on Sekhukhune United. Sekhukhune United will be playing home against Orlando Pirates la njengoba nibone bafethu. To be honest, for Orlando Pirates, le game le kuzoba inzima kakhulu. This is a tough fixture for Orlando Pirates. They will be playing away in a small pitch. Ngiyazi nonke i-Old Peter Mokaba Stadium. Leya pitch leya ayikho mnandi. Yabo i-team njenge-Orlando Pirates ejwayele ukudlala kwi-pitch enkulu. Le pitch le ingayinikeza inkinga Orlando Pirates. Remember when we played against i-Magesi FC, we won ngo-1-0 ngegoli elihle laliqhamuka kuMfukeng. Yabo so njengoba sizodlala la iSekhukhune United su-number 4. Njengoba su-number 4 nje sinabadlali abahle abaningi abadlali abalapha abane-experience abo-Kadoso, abo-Sangare, Andy Boyeli, lesa striker lesakhona simnandi kakhulu lesa striker, Keletso Maghalwa, sinabo Monare, Linda Mtambo, khona Shobo Mkhize laphayana bafethu. Sipho Mbule udlala khona futhi lapha kwiSekhukhune United. Njengoba su-number 4 nje asiyona u-number 4 like ngemlingo. Badlala lapha. So njengoba siyodlala nje iSekhukhune United sathanda kubuya kwi-1-1 draw against iStellenbosch FC. Le team le yashaya iOrlando Pirates. Thina sathanda kuwina against iKaizer Chiefs kwiSoweto Derby. So nathi sinayo lo mfutho lo. So coming to this game, I don't think Orlando Pirates kumele ithathe kancane iSekhukhune United. Yebo, kumele si-approach nge-scheme esijwayele ukudlala ngaso. Siyawudinga u-3 points kule game. Njengoba siwudinga nje u-3 points, i-scheme emele sidlala ngaso, i-scheme esaziyo ukuthi siyodlala against iMamelodi Sundowns. Uma siyodlala ne-Sundowns, i-scheme emele sidlale ne-Sundowns, kumele siyiqale le game soyidlala neSekhukhune. Because iSekhukhune siwenza sure ukuthi siyayishaya iOrlando Pirates. Siwenza sure ukuthi siyayishaya. Because you remember when we played against Cape Town City, we took Cape Town City lightly. Cape Town City lightly and Cape Town City as punish. Because sadlala Cape Town City kwathi nge-weekend sadlala nani ne-Al Ahly. Le game limele senze sure ukuthi iSekhukhune sawuthola u-3 points. Singawalahli nje amaphuzu. Ngibengiza abantu bethi Orlando Pirates kumele iqalise lana ischeme esingajwayele ukudlala. But ke ngizoshaya i-score prediction mafethu. Ngizoshaya i-score prediction yale game le. Orlando Pirates, I see Orlando Pirates la ihamba nawo mhlawumbe u-2-0 2-1. I see Orlando Pirates iwina le game le ngo-2-0 2-1. Ngeke uzokwazi lutho abadlali abanjengo-Otladisa benoMaghalwa bangakunikeza inkinga. Yebo bangakunikeza inkinga. So I see Orlando Pirates iwina ngo-2-0 2-1 because mase sibheke iSekhukhune United i-team vele le engajwayelanga ngaleyo ndlela uku-attack kakhulu. Yebo attack kakhulu but inawo umkhuba wokuconsider ama-goals. Inawo umkhuba wokuconsider ama-goals. I feel like i-defense yabo iyavuza. Yabo i-defense yabo iyavuza. Bona baqine kakhulu la eswini. Lonke kusiza ama-forward abo ukuthi a-create ama-chances ukuthi bawine ama-games. Yabo thina kumele senze sure le game le siyaqina nathi eswini. Yabo because vele eswini sijwayele ukuqina. Bakhona oMakehleni Makhawula benombatha bawusiza sikwazi ukumaintaina leyo record leyo yokuthi sikwazi ukubhosa i-midfield. So kule game le ayisi Orlando Pirates iwina, but it will be a near win for Orlando Pirates, not a complete win, yabo, not a commanding win. But ke angazi ngangitshela wena ama-comments ukuthi where do you see Orlando Pirates finish? Yebo, ngabe soyinikeza inkinga eSekhukhune noma sona sineza inkinga. Yebo ungakhohlwa ungifollow uVane Sports lo. Ngiyatholakala Facebook naka YouTube, uye ku subscribe uVane Sports.